Hi, and welcome to this episode on Delivery Planning with Enterpryze. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session, we will look at how you can plan delivery of your sales orders and deliveries for each of your van drivers. So let's get you started. So in sales, delivery planning. So very simply, based on the settings that you've applied for delivery in the settings module, where you've defined to use delivery drivers for the delivery app, through the delivery planning here in sales, you can then assign the relevant sales orders and deliveries to each of those van drivers. So very simply here, you can see we have a selection of employees. Simply select the employee that you wish to schedule for. Then here you can see we've got a separate list of sales orders and deliveries. So you can search or select within a certain warehouse. So for example, you can see here that I'm actually linked to a specific warehouse for the general warehouse. So I can look at orders or deliveries that are relevant just to the general warehouse. Then you can also perform a search here in relation to any of the documents, whether it be by detail or customer or document number. Then here on the right, you can see the calendar for the user. So very simply, all you have to do in order to schedule a sales order delivery is simply drag the delivery from the left and drop it here to the right. Once it's populated then into the calendar, you can single click on the delivery to review the details, or you can double click, and from here you can actually change or amend the start and end dates. You can, of course, make it an all-day event. Perhaps it's a delivery for the purpose of service. Perhaps the van driver is going out to service something. So you can make it an all-day event. You can apply a description and then just click on Done. So the next part of the delivery planning, of course, occurs on the delivery mobile app. So this is where the van driver then gets to manage the deliveries further from there. So let's take a look at that next and continue the delivery planning journey. So now the user has logged into the delivery app for Enterpryze, and very simply under the list view for the deliveries and at today's date, which you can change here on the calendar, they will see the deliveries that have been scheduled for them and the times and the details. And very simply, they can also check out the route. They can check out the details here. They can check out the route that they need to follow to get there. So on the details then, when they want to complete a delivery, again, this is just a brief overview. Just tap into any of the deliveries, and from here they can email a confirmation to the customer while they're there on site. They can print. They can update the details such as their arrival date and time and their departure date and time. And also down the bottom here, they can add an attachment. So whether that's a photo or something from the album or a signature. So obviously a signature to say they've been on site, so they can place the signature below and save. So once the signature has been added, you'll be no longer able to modify this document. So click on Add, and all of the information then is updated. So it's a very simple overview of how the app will work then for the delivery van driver. So if you require any further help, check out the help articles on help.enterpryze.com or reach out to the support representatives on the support chat. Thank you for watching.